Yeah, I was to be here if you don't mind. Whatever you say. No, I haven't. Yeah.
Just play some music, we'll run around, and when the music stops, whoever sits, wherever they...
Okay. Quick check with the console, all okay? Yeah, thank you so much, thank you. Well, first things first, I'm sure मीडिया के हमारे सारे जो दोस्त यहाँ पे जुड़े हैं, उनके जहन में काफ़ी सवाल होंगे. ऐसी समीना looking right into my eyes and saying कि सच मुझे सवाल पूछना है. Hold on, hold your breath. ठीक है, सब मौका सभी को मिलेगा. But उससे पहले मेरे जहन में काफ़ी सवाल है, मैं जो आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा. And शिवाना जी, सबसे पहले आपसे सवाल, और उससे पहले आपने जो एक्सेंट पे जो पकड़ बनाई रखी है ना, वो इतनी फैंटास्टिक है, हमको बहुत पसंद आई. बट इफ आई गुस्ताखी माफ, बट इफ आई कैन रिक्वेस्ट यू टू से दैट डायलॉग बिफोर आई आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन दैट यू सेड इन द ट्रेलर, कैन यू रिपीट इट लाइव फॉर अस वंस हियर?
कौन से? मैंने बहुत डायलॉग बोले.
ये जो हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है कि माल तुम्हारा है पर लेकिन मार्केट तो मेरा है, एक आपके अंदाज में. व्हेन वी आर शबाना जी आर लाइव, लाइक यू नो, कम ऑन, उतना तो मौका बनता है.
अब आप बोलना बंद करें तो मैं प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ डायलॉग बोलने के लिए. माल तुम्हारा होगा लेकिन मार्केट मेरा है.
That deserves a bigger round of applause. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. Seeing some, you know, Shabana ma'am performing live right here, it is indeed a treat. So thank you ma'am. Shabana ji, my question to you, आपने अपनी करियर में इतने पावरफुल और लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए हैं. डब्बा काटल में जो आपका कैरेक्टर है, ऐसा क्या था जिसने आपको इंस्टेंटली अट्रैक्ट किया कि आई वांट टू डू दिस?
देखिए भाई, घर का मामला है. बहू ने हुक्म दिया, बेटा प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, मेरी औकात के मैं ना बोलूं. घर का मामला था.
But you want to know, okay, what any character
No,
wise?
the character is fascinating. It's very fascinating because you have no idea where she's going, what she's going to be doing, and at this point it was just something that came my way and I got very excited and I look forward to it.
We are also looking forward to it. So
Thank you.
Thank you. गजराज सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपके कैरेक्टर में कोई ऐसा अनएक्सपेक्टेड एलिमेंट या सरप्राइज है जो आपके लिए नया था, कोई मोमेंट जो यू नो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते ही जिसने आपको एक्साइट किया कि हाँ, आई लाइक दैट?
मतलब आमतौर पे तो मैं डायलॉग्स याद करता हूँ, इसमें दवाइयों के नाम याद करने तो मुझे लगा कि इतने सारी दवाइयों के नाम याद हो गए हैं तो फार्मास्यूटिकल में कुछ एंट्री ले सकता हूँ मैं. फार्मेसी तो खोली सकता.
थँक यू सर. सई, कशी आहेस? मला शोधायला लागतं, मला एवढी लोक आहेत इकडे. कशी आहेस तू? झकास. मस्त. Looking forward to your character right here in Dabba Cartel. Now, playing a police officer comes with its own set of challenges. How did you prepare for the role? We would like to know. And also, was there a particular scene in the series that really tested you?
रोज सुबह उठ के पुलिस स्टेशन जाकर बैठती थी मैं. Jokes apart, but every scene was testing because our captain is very hard to please. तो हमें बहुत
मेरे दिल से.
But मजा आया. I think it's a pleasure, privilege to be working with such amazing people, and I'm just very happy to be here.
Wishing you the best for this one.
Thank you.
Hitesh, my next question, the boss. Now, what was it like directing this powerhouse ensemble and bringing together such iconic performers in a world of crime and suspense?
Poor thing. He'll actually have to answer this while we are sitting. Poor thing.
I think in the beginning when this entire thing started, I was honestly a bit nervous. But when they all came along, I think the nervousness soon changed into a lot of excitement because all of them are such fabulous performers. So in a way, my job was much easier. You know, all of them are such accomplished actors. So I think it was a fabulous experience and almost like a learning curve also for me.
Then why did you give us such a hard time?
झूठ
If
है
it was so easy.
झूठ है ये मेरे को बोला.
और बैकस्टेज ये तो कुछ और ही बोल रहा था.
झूठ है इनकी बातें मत सुनो.
पर हमने जो ट्रेलर में देखा है डेफिनेटली ईज दिख रहा है सबके कैरेक्टर्स में. सो
बस मेरा ईज नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. इसके अलावा मैं हर जगह ईज पे ही रहता हूँ.
thank you, Hitesh. Well, Jyotika ma'am, my question is for you. This is your first collaboration with Netflix, and the response to your presence in Dabba Cartel has been fantastic. What is it that drew you to this particular story?
I'd say what is there not to draw me to the story? Firstly, Shabana Azmi Akhtar ma'am, I think she was a powerhouse name to just be attached to. And then of course Excel and the team, and we know, and I'm very, I don't know, I'm very attached to this because I feel there's a lot of women heading the show, from Monica on Netflix to Shabani and all of us. There was a huge women's team that worked on Dabba Cartel, and I personally felt even our crew had 70 to 80% women working in the crew. So I think just for the fact that this is absolute women power, there's no reason not to be on it.
Let's give it up for all the women in the house. Come on. Jishu sir, my question's for you. If you had to describe your character in 3 words, what would it be?
Case अभी subjudice है, so I can't say. I have to ask him. So, I loved. 4 हो जाएगा. I loved my character. I can't say much about it. So, but as she said, the cast, the story, the producers, everything was so amazing that you can't say no to it. So that was it. But जब आप सर देंगे, सर आप दोगे, सब जुडीज है. So that's about it. Yeah.
Thank you, and wish you the best. Thank you. Shalini, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. How are you?
Fantastic, thank you. Shalini, how was the experience of stepping into the Dabba Cartel, and especially alongside seasoned actors like Shabana ji and Gajraj sir and Jyotika?
First of all, thank you everyone for coming. I hope you really like a trailer. We're very excited. And then now coming to the question, I have my mum, my dad, they love Shabana Azmi. I've heard about her through them, from them, and I've seen her films. I've been a huge fan. So, just to be a part of a cast like this, it's a privilege. It's a very enriching experience to just be starring alongside her and all the women, and we had a lot of fun. So yes, Gajraj sir and I didn't have a scene together. I wish we do, because I admire his work. Jyotika, of course, I've seen her work, and I have just had a lot of fun working with these women. And again, like how Jyotika said, to be a part of a team that has so many women, headed by women, Shibani, Monica, everyone, it was just so much fun to be a part of a set like this. So I had a lot of fun, yeah.
आज हवन करके आई हैं.
सब रट के आई हो.
No, but wish you the best and thank you so much. We're looking forward to that. Thank you. Anjali, पहले सबसे पहले चाबी दे दो मेरी वापस.
नहीं मिलेगी.
अभी चाबी नहीं, चलो पैसे तो दे दो यार.
वो भी नहीं मिलेंगे.
Well, आप डब्बा कार्टेल में एक ब्रोकर का रोल प्ले कर रही है, एंड बताइए इस रोल के लिए कितना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आपने यूज़ किया है, एंड कोई ऐसी रियल लाइफ इंस्पिरेशन या ऑब्जर्वेशन जो आपके कैरेक्टर को शेप करने में आपको हेल्प करी है.
अगर आपने कभी बॉम्बे में घर ढूंढने की कोशिश की है तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट वन एक्सपीरियंस इज इनफ. आई थिंक टू सी हाउ ब्रोकर एंड एस्टेट एजेंट वर्क्स, नॉट द फैंसी वंस दैट वी सी, पर वो जो हमारे एक्चुअल रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स होते हैं, द वे दे बिहेव, द वे दे जस्ट डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. दे आर लाइक, आ जाओ घर दिखा दो, मेरे पास चाबी है. सो आई थिंक दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड दैट आई रूल द वर्ल्ड एटीट्यूड इज वॉट आई थिंक शाहिदा इज ऑल अबाउट. एंड या, that was enough experience for me to. I have seen maybe 100 houses in Bombay before moving into something, and I think that was enough experience for me to play Shahida the way I did.
और मुंबई के रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स का कॉन्फिडेंस और एटीट्यूड आप में पूरा का पूरा छलक रहा है.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, Lynn ma'am, my next question is for you, and आप अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में, if you could share something, what can we expect from you in Dabba Cartel?
I don't know what you can expect. I enjoy doing it because though I hated my wig, which I put on for this show, which was a very bad mistake, I'm saying it because Shabana's going to make some lob about it. Every time we would shoot, you know, I decided to wear this wig, I don't know for God knows what reason, to look different, to look like this madam who has moved on from the drug trade and is not really moved on, but is sort of moved up in society. And I don't know why I decided to do it, so I have to talk about the wig because it was a very important part of our shoot. And it was a ghastly wig, not because of the production, it just turned out to be a very poor wig. And every time we shot, it was always open air. So matlab ye wig had a life of its own, yahan se wahan, mere muh pe, sab kuch, and roz Shabana ji kehti thi, haan, और विग पहनो मम्मी मम्मी मुझे विग पहनना है सो ये हमारा sort of byline बन गया शो में and so one was of course the character which was a very interesting character. She had nice shades to her and I can't say very much about the character, but I thoroughly enjoyed doing the series. It's not a very large role, but it's an interesting role because it was Farhan and Shivani's show and I got to do a lot of scenes with one of my very favorite actresses, which was Shabana. So I think that was a big pull. The producers and Shabana. Unfortunately, all these lovely ladies didn't have too many scenes with me, but we had a few and they were a lovely bunch. And the trailer's looking amazing, absolutely. So I'm really looking forward. I hope I'm not a miss and blink in the series. Farhan, I'm looking at you and Shivani. You can answer.
No, that week will never go unnoticed.
Oh, be quiet.
We have made sure. इस show में इतने
There's so many shots.
के नीचे हमने छुपाए.
Abhi now everyone's going to notice that wig. I shouldn't have spoken about it. No, I'm very happy to have been part of it, and the character is definitely very interesting.
But also, Lilith, the relationship between you and me is one of the warmest and loveliest in the entire.
And most interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not black and white.
Yeah,
It's got so many
they take on
shades.
each other's roles.
Yes,
You know, sometimes
yes.
she becomes them.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
very lovely.
Yeah. I'll
Nicely written, Shivani. Nicely written about.
Yes. It's very nicely delineated, this particular relationship. I'm sure the others are, but I have not seen the series. But yes, I was very happy with our relationship.
So kind of like the sisters in arms, yeah?
Kind of, but even more than that. It's a very old relationship, you know, a 35-year-old relationship. And I think you have to be this age to really understand
Age
that.
का इतना जिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं. Constantly age क्या?
Well, it's a very deep relationship. Okay, so.
But wishing you the best, and we're looking forward to that character, and also the wig has a personality, so we
Oh
also look forward
God,
to
I
that.
should never have spoken about the wig. Okay.
Oh, is it? That I think Hitesh will answer that because Hitesh had a million expressions when she was answering about the. He's saying the biggest backstage. Let's bring it on. No.